Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your recent past, your current energies and your immediate future. So let's see what's there, what are the messages for Aquarians. So in your recent past we have the Devil, the Lovers and the Star. Okay. The current situation we have the King of Cups, the Knight of Cups and the Queen of Cups. Okay. Immediate future, the Four of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups and the Temperance. Okay, so Aquarians, in the recent past, definitely here you were dealing with a connection over here. It can be a relationship, or it can be a friendship, or it can be a business related thing, a work related scenario. But whatever this was, it was something which was strong, and it wasn't easy for you to, somehow you felt chained to this situation or tied to this situation in some way, shape or form. Maybe there was some sort of manipulation going on in this situation. I don't know who was manipulating whom, but then maybe either it was some sort of domination, some sort of maybe too much of an obsession, domination, or it can be some sort of manipulation. But there was something which was not healthy for the relationship, which was there in this scenario. And the thing is that what I feel is you really wanted to break the chains, in the sense not break the relationship as such, but you wanted some sort of a liberation, some sort of a balance, and some sort of transparency in this relationship, or you can say an equal give and take in this relationship. So there was something which wasn't that good, and this was your wish fulfillment. You really wish this relationship as your dream come true. And one more thing is, the Star card can be talking about healing also. So maybe this relationship needs to heal, or you need to heal after cutting off the ties from this relationship. It can be anything, because definitely what I feel is, I see breaking of the chains with the Devil and the Lovers being here. There is a need to, not breaking of the relationship as such, but yes, breaking of the chains which are tying it down, whatever it is for you, whatever the toxicity or the negativity is associated or is there in this connection, which is not letting it blossom. So there is a need to, or that is what you want, to liberate yourself from that aspect of it, if not the relationship necessarily. Okay, and it requires a lot of healing. You view it as a dream fulfillment or your wish fulfillment. But what one more thing is, since it is coming out with the Devil card, what I feel is, I think the liberation, after liberating yourself from that aspect, if you are able to do that, so maybe some of you have actually uh, maybe some of you are actually able to break down these chains which were holding back this relationship. But there is definitely a lot of healing now which is being called for, or which is required in this relationship. That is your past. And here in the current situation we have the King of Cups, the Knight of Cups and the Queen of Cups. So definitely here, see, maybe it is, this negativity is just about not opening up, because with the King of Cups and the Queen of Cups being there and the Knight of Cups, maybe in this past somebody was not opening up about their emotions, and maybe that is what was weighing you down. It can be as simple as that also, because with the King of Cups and the Queen of Cups being there and the Knight of Cups in between, in the current situation, what I feel is that emotions are there on both the sides, but somebody here is not willing to open up, so the relationship is not progressing. So somebody, and that is what was the obsession, maybe that was something which was, since the other person viewed, or you viewed the other person, this relationship as a dream come true. So maybe this was something which was holding this back. It can be that also. Okay, but then here we have the King of Cups and the Queen of Cups. So with the Knight of Cups, so what I feel in the current situation is, whosoever was not opening up is perhaps ready to open up. Okay, so there is a step up of this situation, or somebody is ready to open up towards the other person. That's what I feel. So somebody here seems to be willing to open up emotionally. Okay, or offer you something. Okay, so it can be some sort of an offer, some sort of an but definitely some, I think some sort of a talk will be there regarding this. In the immediate future, we have the Four of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, and the Temperance. So definitely, again, I think the issue in this relationship is with the Four of Pentacles again, is again that closing off. Yes, maybe this situation or this relationship is near and dear to you, it's very close to your heart, but definitely something is there again, which this, I think this is the toxicity in this relationship. This is the problem is in this relationship. But again, here we have the Ace of Cups. Somebody has the habit of holding back in some way, shape, or form. This person, it's tough for them to open up. But with the Ace of Cups, I feel there is a new beginning over here. There is a new beginning. Perhaps they start slow here with the Knight of Cups, or they are willing to do so if they are not actually doing it. Or maybe this is because again there is somebody is again is closing off over here. So maybe they offer, they take a step forward and then again they close back. It can be that also, that again this, because this is the habit of this person, maybe this is the mind games they are playing. It can be that also. We have the Devil, which is not a positive card. So maybe this is the maybe this is the problem with this person. That is what they do, since they're opening up and then again they are closing. It can be as simple as that. Maybe this is, they are playing mind games and manipulation, as I said, in this relationship, because they don't want to lose control over you in this relationship, and that is how they keep you there. It can be that also, because with the Four of Pentacles again in the immediate future, what I feel is that this person is closing off. Somebody here is closing off. With the Ace of Cups and the Temperance, somehow I feel this seems to be a new person. That somehow, I don't know, I think this person closes off, and then this is a new beginning. It seems to be a new person. And with the Temperance being there, this is again, so I think there is a lot of healing which is required over here on your aspect, Aquarians. And I think here somehow, I think you are sorting out the thing that you want. You are ready for a new beginning. That's what I feel. I feel this person is closing off, and then this is what you decide to do. You are ready for a new beginning, or the new person perhaps, or it can be you now closing off because you want a new beginning. It can be that also, because maybe you've understood that this is what it is. Since you wanted to be liberated over here, somebody, there is a liberation and putting an end to this chained behavior or whatever was chaining down this relationship or was holding it back. So maybe this time, even if they are ready to open up, then maybe it is you who are taking a decision that no, I really don't want it. You are closed off perhaps because you want a new beginning. Maybe you really have somebody in your life, so you are ready for a new beginning, and you are sorting it out and balancing, because you have understood that there is no point over there to stay in that connection. So maybe this time you are closing off, and you are closed off to the offer they have to give you, and you are ready for a new beginning over here, and you are balancing yourself. Your Temperance also has the property, this card also has the effect of healing, talks about healing, I want to say. So let's see what is the message from this deck for Aquarians. The Hangman. So definitely this situation has been stuck, I should say, since a long time, and it has given you an insight. It has given you the wisdom as to what should be the right decision, and you should be doing that. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels for Aquarians. Nine of Abundance. Life is wonderful. Your hard work and dedication to your dreams will provide you with great peace and contentment. Take time to enjoy quiet moments of reflection and leisure. Feel free to buy yourself small luxurious gifts. You've earned the financial security and independence you now enjoy. So anyway, abundance is coming in Aquarians. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.